Hello everyone, we are the students of 7th class. We are going to demonstrate about types of motions. An object is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to time.
Linear motion. When an object moves along a straight line is called linear motion.
Curvilinear motion. An object moves in a curved path. Rotatory motion. The object rotates in its own axis is called rotatory motion. Circular motion. The whole object moves around another point. Rotatory and circular motion. An object spins its own axis and also moves in a circular path at the same time.
Random motion. Random motion is the motion in which an object moves into directions without any sequence.
Oscillatory motion. The object moves to or fro about its mean position.
Linear and rotatory. When an object moves forward and also spins around its own axis at the same time, it has both linear motion and rotatory motion.
The vibratory motion is a kind of oscillatory motion in which the moving object undergoes a change shape or size.